This video is about upgrading the aquarium filter to an external filter. Considering the good water outflow, motor sound, 3-stage of filtration and an easy installation, I purchased the external filter by SunSun, model number HW-302 series. Well, in the box, you will find the main body with water inlet outlet heads, hose pipes, pipe fittings for water inlet and the outlet. To set the filter up, both the buckles should be unclipped from the main body of the filter head. This will separate the head from the base of the filter. Now, remove all the 3 trays and add the filter materials as you like. I have added activated charcoal in one tray and ceramic rings in another tray. After filling the materials, install all the trays back in the main body and close the buckle. Fix the head to the main body and close the buckles. Now, take the shut-off valve and fix it on the head of the main body by using the small handle between the tabs and lock it. Install the inlet and outlet assembly according to the part list. Attach the hose pipes to the inlet and outlet of the shutoff valve on the main body head. Connect the end of the hose pipe to the inlet and the outlet according to the part list. Use the screw caps and secure it. Now the external filter is ready to be installed to the aquarium. Before switching on the filter, you need to do the priming. The blue button on top of the filter is the primer button. Press down the blue button continuously. This will prime the filter by drawing water in through the hose pipe. If necessary, repeat this until the pipe is filled with water. After priming is completed, switch on the filter. This filter generates sufficient oxygen for my 4 feet tank.